them people there.
Feel empowered?
Yeah, me just feel like, you understand me I did, me can't do anything.
Yeah.
Any goal me can reach to it without tell a lie. You understand me I did, me feel like a champ.
So we guys will have Govana in the building. Welcome, Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year, bless up in his
Of course. We see the work I put in, and this song, as Liquid mentioned, it's very inspirational.
Yeah.
And I watched the video and I see we have a lot of children in there that you're trying to encourage and motivate. Kind of take the right path, don't live your life.
Yeah, definitely.
Go for your goal, go for your dream. Talk about the inspiration behind the track.
You know, so, honestly speaking, you just follow that in here, just really just, cause I always try to reach out to the youth them in terms of like empowering them and give them self-belief and make them believe in themselves and just say, yo, you don't really need to run down behind the body or do you get me? I say you just need to believe in yourself and just be true to yourself and just put in the work and just love John, just love people, just do the right, you see me, and just watch your work.
Yeah, and I mean, you drop it at the right time too, because of the pandemic, a lot of kids out of school, some don't really have a sense of direction and support.
Exactly, you get me? So you have to just try to empower the youth, them are the future, you know, them are the nation of tomorrow, so, you know, try to show them the right way, because them always try to bash dance and make it seem like we only talk about one thing and thing, you know, so we have to do them things, we have to empower the youth, you get me? I say, you know, we are father and, you know, and the circle, we have to try to show the youth them the right way and lead them the right way, regardless. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I like what I go on. So,
yeah, man.
You see the work I put in, you know, different single here, different vibes, single like chop.
Yeah, man, it's a different year. Yeah, man.
I kind of notice it's not the regular way you used to, like the follow-up.
Alright, I'm glad you noticed.
Yeah, pick some different type of topic.
Yeah, I have to do that because I kind of get, yo, so one thing me like, I like do same thing over and over. So I already know, say, alright, them lock over the side, the fun side with the girls, them and all them things. But before me did really transcend to the side, they really and truly was Diablo with street and more gritty and thing. And we just feel like some need to go back this in terms of the street and things. So that's what I do for all of last year and start off this year. And even though a couple months from now, I go back to the dirty Govana still, you know. I can't leave out the ladies too much. You know what I mean? So, yeah, definitely.
Okay, I mean the last time I think we link up was when you had the album out. Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same. 2020, and then the pandemic came in after that. What's been happening with Govana since?
Yeah, I live up 2020 and then at the States really and truly, so I grow my youth them come. Two of my sons them living at the States, my two youth them living at the States, so I just basically in the States from 2020.
Okay.
Growing them and just, you know, just holding a different vibe with them. Because the first one I'm at 10 this year, I never really get to grow them how I want to grow them. So the second one I'm going to be 3 this year, so I get to actually groom him in my light and my way. You get me? I say, at the end of the day, you get me? I say, so we just take the time out and do that and just know some ready back for the music and just go back on the ground now, just put in some work and just link up and just all the energy, you get me?
Yeah. Talk about them linkage, because I see where you also have a tour set to go on with Skeng.
Talk
about that.
Yeah, you don't know Skeng then you get me and say, when we're in the States, him reach out and say, you don't know, you know, Spanish town, and him forward up and him want some guidance and some, you get me and say, and there's some energy, and you don't know, me as a youth, falling from Aidona camp, Aidona just give energy to all of our youths, said we are just at the same, we just say, you forward youth, and we just try groom him and try to show him, do right to you, any idea, we still not try to program him thing, so him still do film thing, and him have him own team, do him thing, and you get me and say, so, we don't know, so we just say, alright, then one matic and do all run out and all the energy and Spanish town and things, Strike Force, Ratty Gang over there, so do them things said we. So it's a great energy and a great vibe. So you don't know, we have UK tour and followed up in April. You don't know, me and Skeng said we, and you know, we have a couple of other things followed and things, but it's just a nice energy, man, is it?
Alright, big up on that.
So tell me the link now with Fabio, cause the
hip
hop side there, the single and see the work, man. Why you do to me, man?
Yo, big up Fabio, you know, R.I.P. T that the youth we build the Woo dance in a Pop Smoke video and thing. Him actually fall from me yard, him have yard thing in him. You get me I say? So him mother really and truly grew a yard and thing, but him born over there. So him introduced my music to Fabio. So I saw come Favi get on to Govy and rate Govy and things. So when we in the States now, him reach out and I say, yo, we need them Favi to link up. So Favi reach out and say, yo, we link up. So I saw come we link up now and swallow energy and so come we hand forward and put together the song there and shoot the video in Ireland and then in New York and things. And so the mad vibe. You get me I say, so big up Favi and the whole team and the whole New York, the whole place. You get me I say?
So the link with Favi You can see the single that go on with itself.
Yeah,
what
definitely.
do for you right now as governor, you know what I mean? Because you know Fabio are going right now.
Yeah, Fabio, you get me? It really and truly opened a different door for me, said you, because all for people, all for film fan base, and all for people who work with kind of get on to governor.
Yeah.
You get me? I say, so it really bring me into a different light and a different
market.
Different market.
The drill market.
The drill, New Year drill, hip hop market. You see me? It's a nice vibe, it's a nice energy. You see me? And them things they're good. We can collaborate with some people from different genres and them things there. You know what I mean? So it's a great vibe and a great experience. You see me?
The gold record.
Next collaboration with Bad Girl in a Spain there.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man, it's a great vibe. Them things that's what say. You get me? I say so. It's a great energy, you know, big up pop style, you see me? I aim forward together and say, yo, you don't know, and the great I want to work with you, and we'll link up and put together the record and thing, and rest is history, you see me? So big up him and big up Bad Girl and the whole team, big up pop style and thing, you see me? You man liquid doing research in the
no, that's the on top of things, you know? Yeah, you know what I mean?
Alright, so what's next for you? What else is in store for Governor?
Today we just back on the ground and all just put in some work.
Yeah.
You see me? So I feel like we miss the game a bit, you know what I mean? They don't
you
know
don't really miss out still,
no, I miss the game, you know, but I miss out.
Okay.
Never miss out, because we are always there regardless. So you get me, I say. So, but they know, but if they on the ground different from that foreign, you know, for the music or foreign, it kind of, just that foreign, just comfort them, just live in the house, just see. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yo, it kind of
different.
Yes, back to the streets, back to the Spain, back to the Kingston, back to the Zip. You get me? I say, yes, some day I know, I just know, say, oh, there's all a different energy. You see me, and Skeng link up last time, I did the link up in idea, I did the link up forward again. So, I just straight to work again, and just know, say, a different energy. You see me? I said, deep on the ground is a different vibe than that foreign I do it. It kind of hard to do it from foreign, you see me? So give thanks so we can do foreign and still find hit song and find hit juggling and all them things there, you see me?
The fans, I have to pick them up.
Yeah, I have to big up the fans, you see me? Because without them there's nothing, we are nothing, you know what I mean? Yeah, so big up the fans all the time, big up the team, big up the whole of Spain town, big up the whole of Jamaica, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, say it, that's that, you get me? I say.
That is it. Alright, we're going to drop the song now?
Yeah, I drop the song now, because you know go with up on the ground.
Right. Yeah.
Fresh to death with DJ Liquid.
Them drive sing my life and still me rise. Off the fire in me eyes, so win the prize. Fire. Look on my diamonds, them I synchronize. Me have me name on everything we drive. From every ghetto house, talking with rise. Got a girl, fix a crown and fix a smile. You have the fire inside, I made them dim the light. Ain't forget the youth and every single child. Sing, I am the greatest. I am the greatest. Yeah. I am the greatest. I am the greatest. Sing, I'm the best, number one. I'm blessed, a champion. I am the greatest. I am the greatest.
Go for more, them I sing the one when them I drive go home.
Yeah, man.
Nah, play the whole like it.
Yeah, man, it's a great energy, man. Big up Liquid, big up Sapphire, big up the whole Zip team with they all a nice energy, you know?
Yeah.
Happy for the you don't know. Yeah, man.
Alright, bless up. Thanks so much for passing the room.
Yeah, man. Big up all the time and Zip. Keep it zipping, keep it locked.